Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? In today's tutorial, I'll be creating this lovely photo here. Please don't forget to like this video, drop a comment and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let's get started. So we're going to start with this camera picture here. So what I'll do first is duplicate this layer by clicking on Command or Ctrl J. Okay, and I'll name this layer camera. Okay, so then I'll go ahead and reduce the brightness of this bright area here. I'll click on my brightness and contrast tab and reduce the brightness to about this level is good, but I only want the brightness to affect this down part. So what I'll do is I'll invert this layer by clicking on Command or Ctrl I. Then I'll pick up my brush tool here, or I click on B on my keyboard. I'll go ahead and increase my brush size by clicking on the bracket keys. Then I'll make sure my foreground color here is white. Okay. Then I'll paint here. And I'll go ahead and reduce the flow as well. Just gonna flow smoothly to about 30 thereabout. Then I'll go ahead and paint the effect. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we are going to create a circle effect here on the lens. So I'll go ahead and pick up my marquee tool. I'll right click and pick up the elliptical marquee tool. Then I'll go ahead and hold on my shift and Alt or Option key. Then I will draw out the circle from the center of the lens here, just like this. So this looks good. Then I'll go ahead and click on my solid color layer just to differentiate that part. Then any color will be fine, it doesn't really matter. Then I'll go ahead and bring in my real picture from here. I'll go ahead and click on Command or Ctrl A, then Command or Ctrl C to copy. I'll click on Command or Ctrl V to paste the picture. So I'll just zoom out so I'll be able to adjust the picture to fit in with the camera. Okay, I'll just click on Command T to transform, and then I'll adjust the picture to fit in to where I want it to fit. Then I'll go ahead and reduce the opacity so that I'll be able to see what I'm doing exactly. Okay, so I'll just make sure it fits perfectly to the entire picture here. So I'll click on Enter. Then I'll go ahead and increase the opacity back to 100, and then I'll create a clipping mask so that the railway is only going to be on the circle that we created earlier, like so. Okay, so this looks good. Then I'll go ahead and duplicate the rail layer. So let me name this railway. So I'll go ahead and duplicate this railway layer by clicking on Command or Ctrl J. Then what I'll do is I'll go ahead and click on my lasso tool here and right click to get the polygonal lasso tool, because I just want to draw out the railway here. Then I'll just trace out the railway area that I want. Then I'll go ahead and click on the layer mask here. Okay, so this looks good. Then I'll go ahead and darken this area as well, this outer part of the railway. I'll go ahead and click on the brightness and contrast layer and create a clipping mask and reduce the brightness as well. Then as you see here, the inner part was also affected. So I'll go ahead and click on my brush tool here. Then I'll make sure my foreground color is black because I want to take away this darker area here. I'll reduce my brush size and paint on it. Then I'll go ahead and bring in my model here. Okay. So I have the model here. I'll go ahead and select the model out of the entire picture by clicking on my quick selection tool here. Then I'll zoom in and select the model. Then I'll transfer this to the camera. Drop it there. Now click on commenting. So I'll try to create an effect that will make the forest area here brighter. So I'll go ahead and click on the new layer. And as well click on brush tool. And I'll go ahead and click on the color palette here and choose a bright color. Okay. And then I'll reduce the opacity and I'll reduce the flow. And I'll paint on it. Then I'll change the effect to overlay. Increase the opacity as well. Just to make the area very bright, to create like a sunlight effect there. Then I'll switch on the model layer. Okay, then so what I'll do now is I want to create a shadow for this model. Okay, let me name this the model layer. Then I'll go ahead and duplicate this model layer by clicking Ctrl Command T. Okay. So I'll go ahead and click on Ctrl Command T for transform. Then I'll go ahead and click on flip vertical. Then I'll go ahead and click on distort. Okay, I think this looks good. Then I'll go ahead and click on Command or Control V. Then I'll take the lightness to -100. Click OK. I'll reduce the opacity. And then I'll go ahead and have the blur effect. I'll click on Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur. So I'll just add little blur to the shadow effect. So we are almost done now. So I want to go ahead and create a copy of this entire workflow that we've done. So I'll go ahead and click on Command or Control, Alt Option and Shift plus E on my keyboard. So I'll go ahead and click on my dodge and bump tool here and click on the bump tool. Then I'll just make the behind of the middle a bit darker from the front. Then I'll go ahead and click on the curves adjustment layer, and then I'll just increase the brightness of the entire photo a bit. Click on the blue here and give it some bluish effect. Go ahead and add some words to it as well. Just to give it a warm feel. Okay, so this is the final result, and we've been able to create this lovely in-camera forest effect. And I hope with this quick and easy tips you'll be able to create something like this or this as well. And please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, let me know what you think about the video, and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Alright, so hope to see you on my next video. Stay safe and bye bye.